Hi, I'm Erin from Paired, and if your emails aren't converting, it might not be your content, it might be your design. Maybe the layout feels off, or the call to action is hard to find, or maybe your emails just don't look like your brand. That's where a great email designer can make all the difference. In this video, I'm gonna walk you how to hire one. We'll look for what to look for in a designer, where to find them, how to interview them, and how to make the relationship work. If you're open to hiring globally, I will also show you how to tap into an even larger pool of qualified talent. Why good email designs matter. Design isn't just about making your emails pretty. It's about helping people read your message, understand your offer, and click through. A good designer knows how to lead the eye, balance content with white space, and keeps people scrolling. And with most emails being open on mobile, designs have to adapt to smaller screens, shorter attention spans, and faster decision making. Great design makes your content feel easy, clear, and intentional. It also makes your brand look more trustworthy. If you've been writing strong emails that aren't performing, this could be the piece that you're missing. Here are a few signs that your email design might be falling short. It has long blocks of text with no breaks, buttons might be at the very bottom and are hard to tap on mobile, too many competing colors or fonts, or images that just don't load or feel off-brand. These might seem small, but they do add friction. A great designer reduces that friction and makes it easier for your reader to take action. What to look for in an email designer. Not all designers understand the unique challenges of email design. It's important to hire someone with hands-on experience with real-life campaigns, not just visual mock-ups. Here are the key traits to look for. Comfort in email platforms. They should be familiar with tools like Klaviyo, MailChimp, or HubSpot. These platforms have their own quirks, and it's easier to work with someone who already knows how to design within these constraints. Proficiency in design tools. Tools like Figma, Canva, or Adobe XD are commonly used to design emails. Your hire should feel comfortable using at least one, especially if you'll be giving feedback directly into the file. Understanding of layouts that converts. Good email design isn't just visual, it supports the message. You want someone who can guide the reader's attention towards a main action, whether that's a button, link, or reply. Mobile first thinking. Since most emails are read on phones, your designer should know how to keep things simple and readable on smaller screens, especially when it comes to font size, spacing, or button placement. A portfolio of real emails. Ask to see actual emails they've designed and sent. It helps to see how they translate something in layout, not just how something looks in theory. Thoughtful decision making. The best email designers can explain their choices. They'll be able to tell you why they placed a button where they did, or how they made something easier to scan. Where to find the right designers. If you're ready to hire an email designer, the good news is you already have a few places where you can start your search. Here are a few of the most common places to look. Dribbble. Dribbble is a creative showcase site. Designers post snapshots of their work. You can search by style, niche, or keywords like email design. It's great for inspiration and finds with a specific look, but it's mostly visual. You'll need to reach out directly and ask for performance context. Behance. You'll find full project breakdowns with goals, design processes, and sometimes even results. If someone takes the time to explain their thinking, that's a good sign. Upwork. Upwork is a freelance marketplace where you can post a job and get applicants. Designers have profiles with reviews, rates, and work samples. It's helpful if you want to test someone on a smaller project before committing to them long-term. Contra. Contra is similar to Upwork, but focuses on creative freelancers. Many list package-based pricing, like 3 custom emails for $300. It's a clean, easy way to scope one-off projects or quick turnarounds. And then there's Paired. If you'd rather skip the hunt altogether, we can help. At Paired, we source, vet, and present you the top overseas email designers who already know the tools, strategies, and what converts. Whether you need someone to handle 5 accounts or 50, we'll match you with someone who can hit the ground running. Every hire is backed by a 90-day guarantee, so you can try it out risk-free. If you're open to hiring overseas, all these platforms gives you access to amazing talent. Many international designers already work with Western brands and knows what performs. We'll help you find top email designers in Indonesia, Latin America, America and South Africa and save you up to 80% in payroll costs at the same time. How to interview remotely. Once you've found a few strong candidates, it's time to dig a little deeper. A short video call or even a back and forth message can reveal a lot about how they communicate and approach email design. Here are a few questions worth asking. What email platforms do you usually work with? This helps you understand their technical range. Do they have experience in Klaviyo, MailChimp, or HubSpot? Can they also export designs properly for developers? How do you design for mobile versus desktop? A good designer knows that mobile isn't just about shrinking things down. It's about reprioritizing content and optimizing for scroll behavior. Can you walk me through an email you're proud of and why it worked? This shows how well they understand performance. Are they thinking about clicks, conversions, and visual hierarchy? If you want to be extra confident, give them a short pay test. Ask them to redesign one of your emails or create a layout for an upcoming launch. See how they translate your brand and how clearly they structure the content. This step tells you more than any portfolio ever could. Set expectations early. Clarity is everything, especially if you're working remotely or asynchronously. Start with your brand guidelines, font, colors, tone of voice, anything that can help them design in a way that feels on brand. A few email examples that you liked or didn't. Real examples help you set a visual and functional benchmark. It's just as useful to show what not to do. Clear goals of what you want each emails to accomplish. Is it meant to sell, educate, or re-engage? A designer can only structure the layout properly if they know the goal. Metrics that matter. Clicks, replies, purchases. Let them know how feedback will be shared and what the timeline will look like. You don't need a formal system, just make expectations obvious. Also, make the workflow clear. Let them know how often you check emails, your expected turnaround time, and how feedback will be delivered. You don't need a fancy system, just something that keeps everyone aligned. Even a shared Google Doc, Notion page, or Figma board can make collaboration much easier and reduce back and forth. The clearer you are upfront, the better the work will be. Building a strong partnership. Designers do their best work when they feel included and informed. Treat your email designer like part of the team. Share your marketing calendar. Let them know what product launches or promotions are coming. Give them space to ask questions or suggest layout changes. The more context they have, the stronger their creative decisions will be. Involve them early on in the process, not just at the end. Some of the best designers we've worked with didn't just make it look nice. They brought strategy, structure, and they did that because they had the full picture, not just a logo and a list of features. Why this works for scaling teams. You don't need a full-time designer to get professional results. A good email designer helps you stand out in your inbox, even if your list is small. They make your offers clear, your layout cleaner, and your brand more trustworthy. And if you're already doing everything else, copywriting, offers, and list growth, this is one place where handing it off gives you real results fast. If your emails aren't getting clicks, or just don't feel like your brand, a great designer can change everything. Today, we talked about what to look for, where to find them, how to interview them, and how to make the relationship work. When you hire someone locally or overseas, the right person makes your emails easier to send and harder to ignore. And if you're thinking, I want help finding that person, you're not alone. That's what we do at Paired. We match companies with email designers who already knows the tools, the strategies, and the standards. Designers who can jump in fast and deliver without extra hand-holding. If you're ready to find someone that fits, click the link in the description to get started. And we'd love to know, what's one brand you feel nails their email design? Drop it in the comments below. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.